Okay, I have some broken roof tiles on this roof, so I'm going to show you how to replace them. Okay, when they get a little stubborn, use a hammer. Just break what you need to get it out. You see they have the foam underneath. This is a foam adhesive. The back of this one has a lip on it, so it's harder to get out because the foam is there. It's just easier to break it. See that lip on the back? It would get caught on that foam. Okay, you're going to have to cut some of the foam away for your new tile to get in. Do not cut through to the felt. Make sure you only cut the foam. I'll cut the back of this, I'll slide that out, and I'm going to get it prepared to receive the new tile. Okay, now I've prepared it. I didn't take out all the foam, but I took out enough that it's going to slide over it. Okay, so now get your tile. You'll see it has grooves on one side. These happen to have holes at the top. This is really a nail set tile, but we can still foam it in. They've discontinued this roof tile, but this is what I was able to find. Now, lay it down on top of the tile in front of it. You get these grooves underneath. Then just slide it. Okay. Lift up the front, push down the back, and then tap it with a rubber mallet, or if your hammer has a soft end on the back, use that. Okay, now they're in. Now what you want to do is you want to go around and take out all the broken tile first. Set your tile in place, then get ready to foam. Okay, now you can use a bunch of different foams. It's not going to matter. Use the foam from any of the box stores. I happen to like the Loctite foam. And I'm going to get the can set up, then I'll show you what to do of setting the foam, which will adhere to your tile, and that'll be it. You'll be done. I like to use, all right, it's a high density, flexibility, adhesion, UV resistant. So I like to use this one. So get your can set up with the straw on it, shake it very well. Okay. Okay, you're gonna find your spots. Your straw is gonna go. Straw go right in. Pull the trigger. Let some foam in. You don't need a lot. Do the front and the back. Okay, that'll do it. Once the foam's expanded, you can cut all that foam back. Don't worry about it, it's not a big deal. then go through and do all the other ones. Now I wanted to show you one thing in case you're not accustomed to walking on roofs. A lot of people are a little nervous of it, but you see how each tile is. So the top of the one and the bottom of the one above it are overlapping. That's your best place to stand. And then the center of the tile itself. Like if I'm going to walk up this here, I'm going to put my foot right here on this tile where my weight would be towards where both tiles are put together. Then as I walk up to the next tile and I do the same thing. Then the same thing. And you keep doing that as you walk up the roof. This will keep you from cracking your tiles. Will some crack? Might. They just might, because they may be loose. All right, let me get the rest of these tiles foamed in, and I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope this helps you. Make some comments, thumbs up, thumbs down, whatever you like. All right, Building with Papa. See you on the next one.